Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Das Academy of Science. Myopia. Some people cannot see objects at long distances but can see nearby objects clearly. This type of defect in vision is called myopia or nearsightedness. A healthy person can see objects at all distances more than 25 centimeters clearly. But a person with myopia can see objects clearly up to a certain distance only. Now observe the pictures whether vision is clear or blurred. If the object is at the point of least distance of distinct vision, the vision is clear because the person of myopia can see the nearby objects clearly. If we move the object with some distance away from the eye, still the vision is clear. Further, if we move the object with some more distance from the eye, the vision is clear. But at the next point, vision is blurred. Observe here again. So up to some distance only the vision is clear. The point of maximum distance at which the person of myopia can see the object clearly is called far point, and this far point is denoted by M. That is, in between point of least distance of distinct vision and far point, the vision is clear. If the object is beyond far point up to infinity, the vision is blurred. That is, person of myopia can see the objects between the point of least distance of distinct vision and far point. In this case, eye lens can form the image of the object on retina. If the object is beyond the far point or at infinite distance, person of myopia cannot see the object clearly. In such cases, the rays coming from distant object after refraction through the eye lens forms image before retina. This is because the focal length of eye lens of person with myopia is less than 2.5 centimeters. Now observe the ray diagrams for the following cases. If the object is at infinity distance, the parallel rays coming from the object at infinity are refracted at eye lens and forms image before retina. If the object is beyond far point, the rays coming from the object refracted at eye lens and forms image before retina. Thus, if the object is at infinity or beyond far point, the image forms before retina and hence the person of myopia cannot see the object clearly. Now observe the ray diagrams for the following cases. If the object is at far point, the rays coming from the object refracted at eye lens and forms image on retina. If the object is between far point and point of least distance of distinct vision, the rays coming from the object refracted at eye lens and forms image on retina. Thus, if the object is at far point or between the far point and point of least distance of distinct vision, the image forms on retina and hence the person of myopia can see the object clearly. How can we correct myopia? The eye lens can form clear image on the retina when an object is placed between far point and point of least distance of distinct vision. If we are able to bring the image of the object kept beyond far point between the far point and point of least distance of distinct vision using a suitable lens, this image acts as an object for the eye lens. This can be made possible only when a biconcave lens is used. Recall the ray diagram of concave lens when the object is at infinity. When the object is at infinity, the parallel rays coming from the object diverge by the concave lens. If we extend back these diverging rays, they meet at focal point F1. That is, the image formed at the same side of the object, and this image is diminished virtual and directed image. Now observe the ray diagram for correction of myopia. Object is at infinity distance. So the parallel rays coming from the object which is at infinity distance refracts at eye lens and forms image before retina. But when we use biconcave lens, image of the object formed at far point, and this image will act as object to the eye lens, and hence the image will form on the retina. Then the person of myopia can see the object clearly. Now let us find the focal length of the biconcave lens used to correct myopia. Here object is at infinity distance. Since we are finding the focal length of biconcave lens, the object distance is nothing but distance between object and biconcave lens. That is infinity. But according to sign convention, object distance is taken as minus infinity. That is nothing but u is minus infinity. And consider the distance between far point and concave lens is capital D. Here image distance is nothing but distance between image and concave lens. Here capital D is taken as image distance. But according to sign convention, V is minus D. By lens formula, we have 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Here u equal to minus infinity and v equal to minus d. Substituting u and v values in the above equation, we get 1 by f equal to 1 by minus d minus 1 by minus infinity. Here 1 by infinity is 0, so 1 by f equal to 1 by minus d minus of minus 1 by infinity is plus 0. So 1 by f equal to 1 by minus d, that is nothing but f equal to minus d. Here f is negative, showing that it is a concave lens. So that is focal length of biconcave lens which is used to correct myopia is minus d. Thank you. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel, Das Academy of Science.